On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don join Presido Muhammadu Buhari and other Ogbonge people for we country for EFCC anti-corruption summit. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don join Presido Muhammadu Buhari with other Ogbonge people for we country for Abuja on top the anti-corruption summit wey dem do for Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC, and dem do this one on top National Democracy Day. The name wey dem give the summit na curbing electoral spending, a panacea to public corruption. Meaning say this one na way to stop to dey spend for election matter, as this one go help stop corruption for we country. And na EFCC na im organize this Ogbonge program with the joint body of Presidential Inaugural Planning Committee. Governor Godwin Obaseki, wey can see governor of Edo State, na correct governor wey don dey lead with better example. Sake of say na clear matter na im dey do for im government, and na this one na im make Edo State dey follow open governance style. People wey dey the event na former Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Onyema and former Governor of Osun State Rauf Aregbesola, with many other Ogbonge people for we country. Na here we see the better information reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo, as we can see governor for Edo State Godwin Obaseki don join Presido Muhammadu Buhari and other Ogbonge people for we country for Abuja for the EFCC anti-corruption summit. This Ogbonge informate so na Live Media na Intandara and Gidigba put for una. My name na Nimat Shagumo.